Hello, my name is Mrs.Wolverton. I'm a special education teacher, Montessori teacher, and a wife. My goal with this channel is to help every child to develop their skills, like the cognitive skills, reading skills, the practical skills, comprehension skills, and the mathematical skills. Includes the music, the arts, and dancing. My channel is about the basic Montessori learning activities for ages 4 up to preparatory. The content of my blog is about the Montessori education, like the practical activities, sensorial activities, language activities, cultural activities, music, arts, and of course, the child's favorite, the bedtime stories. If you are interested in this fun learning Montessori educational method of approach, you really come to this right place. Considering subscribing for the new videos regularly. Goodbye guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye kids.